Here's our Cessna. It's a 1958 straight tail. Really good shape for the age. Nice and pretty. As you can see, it's got the straight tail instead of the swept back. It's got the 0360 engine in it. Talk about some retro style there. It's in really good shape. Enjoy flying it. This is what all my 56 hours are in. We've got an AV30, which is this right here. I'll pop it on for you. Got the master switch on. Everything's slow and cold at the moment. This thing needs to come off. We gotta replace that one.